Good afternoon mga ka-explorer. So, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. And, ngayong hapon na ito ay andito tayo sa Bantay. Dito sa may Three Sisters, dito sa may Bantay. Ayan, dahil po magkakaroon ng ayan, thank you sa sponsor, pare Ronnie. Ayan, may sponsor agad tayo ng Mountain Dew, baka naman. Nagkakaroon po ng first meeting ang Ilocos Sur Riders Federation. Kinabibilangan po yan ng iba't ibang grupo ng mga riders dito sa Ilocos Sur. So ayan, naghihintay na lang po tayo natin mga kasamahan kasi dito na yung iba. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan, so dito na yung iba. So, hinihintay na lang namin yung iba pang mga parating na mga club heads or club representatives. So, ayun, 2 members lang per club ang ginawa natin para masunod pa rin naman yung social distancing at hindi masyadong crowded yung ating venue. So, ayan, mga ka-explorer, no? Ang federation na to ay may kagandahan kasi kung sakalan meron tayong mga charity hindi na siguro magkakasabay-sabay at magkakaroon na tayo ng coordination sa bawat isa. Yan, shout out Pops Jestony. Yan, kararating niya rin po. So ayan, unti-unti na pong dumarating yung mga kapwa natin na riders and mga riders club heads and representatives. Ayan, so antabay na lang sa ating video mga ka-explorer. Explorer. Pasok na po tayo sa ating place. Ayan, kasama natin dito ang Night Riders Club Station. Guys by Master Richard Neri. Ayan, so magpapalirik daw siya mamaya. Patay tayo dyan, Master. Ayan. Babayerong Ilocano. May isa pa dito eh, babayerong ano.
Bipro Santa Maria, Bipro Locosol, SL1. Kitawag man lang sir, mga kapsat, tutugote ko, ginasitik ko mga ito, no, si Jati pinasitik ko. Edson Locyaw from Santiago Freedom Riders Club.
Pino Tobias, bali din represent kung what sir Road 21 Riders Club in Ocos. Santa Leisure Riders.
Sir from Santiago Freedom Riders Club.
Sir Pardos, sir, NUCP Locosur.
Yung namin cheta sir, ng UCP. Hindi pa lihat minta sir. Sa Vicente, Darax Riders.
Charlie Ballesteros, Bipro, etc. Atun di Mateo.
Very now. Dual Riders Club member SKRC. Ano pa kini? TWR.
Part Gabike from TWR.
Abjay Alcantara from Seaport Riders.
Kami ka muna yung extra si Pilo ko so.
Nakatser ang polis.
Saan niya?
Ang mabudak-mutang amin nun, sir. Good evening. Kanya yung amin.
Richard Neri, founder ti Night Riders Club Nation.
Kasi kami kay Rice na natin.
Siya ka po ni Jeanette Spartans Riders Club.
Hello sir, sa mga Ilocos Riders Club, Bigan Bantay.
Emerson Parabay sir, from Santiago Freedom Night Spider.
John Michael Alejandro sir, co-founder tonight sir.
Also from Riders.
Rodel Balboa, Taraki Riders.
Raymond Bayo ka from Taraki Riders.
Sir.
Roelio Realizo at taga Santa Maria, El Toro Viajeros Riders.
Chuck Gaham sir, Lawrence, coordinator TXR City Locosur Chapter.
Pili Pinamemang, UCP.
Edward Caballo at your service, the founder of Rai Rai San Esteban Motorcycle Federation and at the same time here San Esteban. Member of etc. sir, MPAPS and Kabalikat.
Siyak na dapat ni ba, apat sa diba. Senanglaw, ti awag na kanya, pero ti strong na lang go June, Madulaw, Santa. Spartans Riders Club. Ilocos.
Sumatik kay Dumdumlaw.
Santa, Road 25, Ken Santa,
Anyway, today is Friday. The assembly or meetup is open and started 6 o'clock. And agenda is to form or organize a team as one. So ito pa yung ginawa natin kanina. First, president and leader or coordinator representing each club or organization give details about themselves. And they give reason why there is a federation to form. And suggestion, one ask to our national club or alliance to form or join the federation for Team Ilocos. Another, each team or club suggests or give example in forming a federation like Team Ilocos. Give opinions for charity program and ask help from health agencies known by each club. Another, each president or team leader has one federation. Another, charity schedules must be organized and systematic. Charities or other events must be set or scheduled in an organized and in an organized way and dates. In case of emergency, especially in other towns and provinces, each member or any member know and must recognize each other. Check the beneficiaries of any charity if they are really in need of assistance through proper guidelines or formal process. No money making, no money collections for unnecessary activity or event. Control and manage and regulate charity schedules in proper time or day. So to sum it up, ginawa ko na po, even kahit wala po yung sinabi, yung purpose of Meet-Up is, number 1, unity, to unite as one. Number 2, charity, to help as one. And number 3, camaraderie, to stand as one. Team Ilocos Sur. Don't forget our activity, simultaneous cleanup, November 1. And incoming activities, endurance, tree planting, safety riding seminar, etc. soon. Mag-create tayo ng GC po.
Again po, so, DG... Kaya po sir, mga sir, DG Aramidan tayo na GC nga baro tatata. Walang, DG Tanlula, ito mabalbalin. Dividin na officials na image each team. Tatlo na gulo. Sige, that's tanlulatan. Kasi, nung amin, agiyad tayo ti Kwata yun, the other member tayo, kado na yun, at mataptabo na. So, the president, vice president, hindi babaan ni vice president, isunan to na ako iti bangi baba, iti ken bangi advice iti members na gawin niya mo iti kahit lang yan, vice when yung pag-acting iti member. Thank you.
Sir, nalipatan tayo sir. Observe. Amo tayo ako, observe, please observe protocols of health standard. Wearing of face mask and social distancing ako. Madamati papalang ti kapulisan tayo and other DILG agencies. Ako amo ni Ma'am Sam ka pulikli ko da.
Wala lang o group picture mo maganda.
So ayan mga ka-explorer, no, natapos na yung meeting with Ilocos Riders Federation. Ayan, katatapos lang ng meeting. Right side pare, right side. Ang shot ako lang. So ayan po, dami na pag-usapan, hindi lahat na isama sa video kasi hindi pa naman final. Ayan, so mabuhay ang Ilocos Riders Federation. Mabuhay tayo lahat. Ayan o. Right side, Master. Masipingat talaga. Puro shock ni. Basta right side, right side. Right side sa atin lahat. Ayan, sa Richard Neri, right side. Ayan o, Biyaherong Ilocano, right side. Shout out, Biyaherong Ilocano.